Hello, ladies and gentlemen of UNLV NSBE. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is Saturday, April 9th, 2022. The current time is 2:35 a.m. in the morning. And shout out to my mom for recording this. We're in Las Vegas, Nevada. My name's Paul Jacob Barney. I am a follower of Jesus Christ. I'm a civil engineering major, and I am the 2021-2022 president of UNLV's chapter of the National Society of Black Engineers. Today, we're doing an unboxing video. So, details about this unboxing. So these t-shirts that we're going to be unboxing today were ordered on Sunday, March 26, 2022. They arrived on Thursday, April 7th, 2022, and our vendor was CustomInk. Okay, we ordered 50 shirts at $689.83, and our sponsor for these lovely shirts was the UNLV CSUN government. They paid for the first 40 shirts, which is approximately 81% of the total cost. And the remaining 10 shirts were funded through the UNLV NSBE budget. Okay, so let's get this box opened. Okay, got my box cutter here. Nice and careful. All right. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I'm excited. Been waiting for these. Okay. It says, we'll make it right or we'll make it right. Nice. 100% satisfaction guaranteed from CustomInk. Thank you for trusting us with your special order, which has been carefully crafted and packed in this protective bag by our team of inkers. We love your CustomInk gear as much as you do. If it's not perfect, please call us. Okay, let's get in here. Oh, wow. Okay. So we have our proofs and our prints. Beautiful. Okay, first shirt out of the box is, it is a small, can't tell if it's for male or female actually, but here it is. That's one shirt, small. Okay, I'm gonna put one of these on after I find myself a medium. Let me get down in here. Okay, gee, 50 shirts going through. Okay, this is a medium. I don't know if it's male or female, but this is the one I'm gonna put on today. We're in a UNLV shirt right now. We're gonna put our NSBE shirt on right on top, fittingly. Okay. Nice. All right. So here it is. So this is a Hanes authentic t-shirt, and the color is charcoal heather, and it was printed using screen printing by CustomInk. So here's the front of the shirt. You see the UNLV NSBE 2022 updated logo, and the logo was originally designed by UNLV NSBE 2019 to 2021 President Alula Mena. Okay, and it has below our logo, we have the National Society of Black Engineers, which truly is a part of our logo. Okay, now on the back, you see the NSBE mission statement, which is to excel academically, succeed professionally, and positively impact the community. Also says National Society of Black Engineers on the back. So the back of the shirt was designed by UNLV NSBE former Treasurer Toneke Graham, who also submitted the 2021-2022 CSUN Funding Request for UNLV NSBE. Thank you. So the t-shirts we have available. In our 2021-2022 event RSVP form, we asked, what is your shirt size? And 1/3 of the form's t-shirt responses were from females. 2/3 of the form's t-shirt responses were from males. So we ordered 50 shirts, and 17 are for females and 13 are sized for males. For our men, we have 4 smalls, 12 medium, 9 large, 5 XL, and 3 double XL. Again, that's based on our shirt size data. For our women, we have 5 small, 5 medium, 4 large, and 3 double XL. The XL size was no longer available on CustomInk for our desired shirt here. You may be asking yourself now, how do I get a shirt? So here are the t-shirt eligibility requirements. The first 40 shirts are only for UNLV students. That's because we went through CSUN government when getting these shirts, and all things funded through the CSUN government have to be given to UNLV students. So the second eligibility requirement is that you must be a member of NSBE on the UNLV Involvement Center. The third requirement, or eligibility requirement, is you must pay chapter dues on the UNLV NSBE website. Now, I have made the requirements 2 and 3 a little bit easier for you. Instead of hopping around the internet to find UNLV NSBE links, you can visit our link tree. In your web browser, type linktr.ee/UNLV NSBE, and that'll bring you to our link tree. The 2 buttons you're looking for are join via Involvement Center, to join UNLV NSBE via the UNLV Involvement Center. And the second link you're looking for is the UNLV NSBE membership dues, to pay chapter dues for UNLV NSBE. Okay, assuming you have fulfilled the eligibility requirements and are watching this video before the conclusion of the UNLV 2021-2022 academic year, here's what's left to do to get your hands on a shirt and your shirt on your back. You must attend the 3rd Multicultural Program General Body Meeting of Spring 2022 in person on Tuesday, April 12th, 2022 at UNLV at 6 p.m. PST. The room will be TVEA 107. You have to let us know that you're coming so we can have your shirt present for you. Visit the UNLV NSBE link tree and click the RSVP for our next event button. This will take you to a Google form where you can input your name and email address, select UNLV as the organization you are intending to support, select your shirt size, and make sure to get all of those correct. And then we will be able to identify you, contact you if we need to, and get your shirt size. Of course, select your gender, that's very important as well. Okay, last step is attend the 3rd Multicultural Program General Body Meeting of Spring 2022, again on April 12th, and you can collect your shirt there. Okay, now if you're watching this video after the 2021-2022 academic year, assuming you fulfilled all of the eligibility requirements, you're wondering, how do I get a shirt like this one? Complete our RSVP form, attend our next meeting, and you should get your shirt there. If you have any further questions, we understand. Or if you would like to sponsor our next batch of shirts, or simply reach our chapter treasurer, please email unlvnsbe.treasurer@gmail.com. I thank you so much for watching this video and for your interest in the UNLV chapter of the National Society of Black Engineers. Be sure to subscribe for more exciting and engaging content. Leave a like on the video and check out some of our other videos that we have on our channel, like UNLV NSBE's interview of UNLV President Keith E. Whitfield. You can find all of our links, including our Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Discord, and more in our link tree at linktr.ee/UNLV NSBE. I have been your UNLV NSBE 2021-2022 President Paul Jacob Barney. Peace and God bless.